When life is out of control, it is very easy to shut down. I know we all practice a little self-sabotage without knowing it. Saying things like I can't or believing that things won't work. And this probably pushes your negativism to become your reality. You see, turning your world around is all about positive thinking, making little changes and stopping the downward spiral leading you down the path to destruction. We all know it takes very little for life to deflect. Like suddenly you find yourself going full speed in the wrong direction without knowing how to change course. The good news is that knowing how to get your life together might not be as overwhelming as you may think, because all you need is the right mindset to regain control of your life. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the mind tricks you can use to regain control of your life. Before I start, kindly hit the subscribe button if you're yet so, and do not forget to turn on post notification. The first thing to do is to start telling a different story. Think about when you tell someone the story of your life. We all know that nobody tells people the tragedy or failures in their life. We are most likely to tell other people about our triumph and success. You see, there's so much evidence that suggests that we all mentally construct our life story and that we make our own reality. We've all heard of those people who made it through life as an imposter, so be an imposter in a good way. Tell the story of the person you want to be, the triumphs you obtained, and the future self you intend to be. Write your own story of positive ending. Number 2 is that you should think all things are possible. You see, if you don't think all things are possible, then you ain't ever going to try them. Stop telling yourself what you cannot do. Instead, convince yourself that you can achieve all that you desire if you put in some hard work. You see, the roadblocks in life are all in your mind. So you need to change your mindset. Remember, where there's a will, there's always a way. Number 3 is that you should stop using negative speech about your future. The thing is, the secret to understanding how to get your life together is impeded when using the negative. Saying things like I can't, it won't work, I don't have, or there is no way. You see, these sayings stand in your way of getting your life back on track. So stop using this speech to limit yourself negatively. Number 4 is that you should always look for the silver lining. And in every bad situation, there's always a silver lining. So look for it. Consider yourself lucky that you found out about a bad situation earlier on and that you aren't stuck in a dead-end position. So find the little good in that bad situation and use it as a sign to move on for a fresh start. Listen, when you make a positive out of every negative, then you will pave your way to success. Number 5 is that you should stop the madness and start reorganizing your life. If learning how to get your life together is difficult, then it's time to get organized and make a plan. And when you feel out of control or overwhelmed, the best way to stop the madness is to make a list of all the things that are too much. Then make them realistically manageable. You see, when you make a list of all you must do and then check things off one by one, you not only get the chaos under control, but you also get the benefits of making conscious steps at altering your life in a positive way. Number 6 is that you should make little changes every day. If you want to take back your life, then you need to stop thinking of all the things you must do at once. Instead, try to make one little change every day. And soon you will find yourself creating an overall change. You see, at this point, you are no longer the person on a destructive mission. And so little changes you make will affect your life in a positive way. So stop thinking about the total transformation and focus on doing one small thing to improve your life daily. I assure you that you will be surprised by the major change that will happen in your life. Number 7 is that you should break your big dreams into smaller, realistic ones. Figuring out how to get your life together again is hardest when you don't know where to start. But if you break up the goals into smaller, attainable ones, then you will feel much accomplished and it will encourage you to continue for the bigger challenges. Number 8 is that you should eliminate bad habits. Those vices you think help you go from day to day actually do more harm than good. So if you want to get your life back, then you need to stop the self-destructive behaviors working against you. If you feel good about these bad habits, then you should know that altering your life and setting goals is much easier. So stop waking up with a hangover from the night before and start each day without the bad habits that keep you stuck. Number 9 is that you should eliminate bad friendships. Sometimes we lose sight of our goals in life because the people around us aren't the most motivating. So if you have friends who seem to be going nowhere and are okay with it and are not lifting you up, then it's time to leave them and find some friends who push you to do better and achieve your dreams. You see, bad friendships are one of the worst distractions in life. Friends are supposed to support you in wanting more. So if that isn't the case, then go find supportive people in your life to take their spot. Number 10 is that you should take a leap of faith. Sometimes we feel out of control in life and are afraid to be all in, just in case things go south. Well, if you're not happy with where you are right now, then you need to take some risk. Throw caution in the wind and set a goal that you can't back out of. I mean, if you don't believe in yourself and give it all you have, then who else is going to? So take back your life by believing in your own capabilities. You see, it doesn't take much to get us off the good path in life. But for whatever reason you lost your way, knowing how to get your life together again is a journey to get back on with some determination, drive, and the belief that you're worthy of good things and that you're capable of finding and earning them. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on post notification